Hey y'all, welcome back to the video. My name is Queer. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. For today's video, y'all, we're gonna be trying Popeyes new chicken nuggets. We got like a what I get, 32 piece, and we got 2 large fries right here. Okay, they look like the chicken tenders cut up, don't it?
Yeah.
That's what it looked like. But anyway, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and say grace and get started. Amen. Amen. Y'all, we got us a shot right here. Happy Saturday. Hope y'all having a good weekend. It's disgusting. Y'all got me a little drink right here. I'm spilling it everywhere. But this is my little drink, y'all. I just got pineapple juice with some vodka, and I just put like some pineapple. It's nasty, ain't it? I put like pineapple juice in there.
What you got? Pineapple?
Ooh. Thank you, boo. So y'all, we got all different kinds of sauces right here. Ooh. So we got the Mardi Gras mustard. I know I ain't gonna like these because I tried this last time. We got black and ranch. We got Bayou buffalo sauce. What it is?
Got some wild honey mustard.
Oh, okay. I ain't never heard of that kind.
Sweet
heat.
heat.
We got sweet heat. We got buttermilk ranch. And we got bold barbecue sauce. I ain't never heard of the wild mustard because I always just heard that. This is so nasty. The Mardi Gras mustard is nasty. But anyway, y'all, come on, let's get started. What you gonna try first? I tried all of them except the black and ranch and that wild honey mustard. I tried all of them. So we're gonna open these, y'all. Y'all got a little game for my husband, okay? I'm gonna I'm gonna be showing him some feminine products. I'm gonna see if he gonna guess them right. This black. Everybody said this black and ranch was good. What you think? Think it's good?
Black and ranch?
Yeah. I'm gonna put the sauces right here. And y'all, I don't even have all 32 nuggets up here. I just because it wasn't enough room, so the rest of them is like that there. I know barbecue sauce probably just tastes regular, right? I like Wendy's barbecue sauce. What's this?
Wendy.
Sweet heat. That sweet heat sauce. I used to eat that.
You already put the black and ranch up there, right?
Yeah. So I told them to give me 2 black and ranch because I've been watching everybody's videos and they've been saying they've been good. So, and ranch. I don't like
regular ranch.
Yeah, it's just buttermilk ranch. I don't like everybody ranch neither. I don't really dip my stuff in ranch though. I don't eat ranch like on hot wings or like a salad.
That's all I know, ranch.
Yeah, you love ranch, so we're gonna go ahead and get started, y'all. You wanna try it first? What sauce we gonna try?
What you going with first?
I'm gonna try the buttermilk ranch. I mean the black and ranch because everybody said it was good.
But I'm gonna try that. What's this? That honey?
This the wild honey.
Wild honey. I'm gonna try that wild honey.
Mmm.
Ain't too bad.
Is it sweet?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, I'm so hungry.
Remind me of honey mustard.
Yeah.
I'm talking about like a little spice.
You try that other one, it's gonna be nasty. Mmm.
Oh, that Mardi Gras?
Mm-hmm.
I'll pass. You said it's nasty. It's
Yeah.
nasty.
It's nasty. So how y'all doing? Let me know. It's Saturday. Currently 5:37. It's our first time eating today. But you got your little styrofoam cup.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Hey. Something like.
So you ready to get started on the feminine products?
What we doing there?
I'm gonna be showing you some feminine products. You gonna tell me what it is. If you know what it is. Let's see how good you be watching me.
I'm ready.
I'm trying the barbecue sauce now.
What's that? What's this?
Like everybody barbecue sauce.
Like hot sauce.
Yeah, hot sauce. It's Bayou buffalo sauce.
Oh, buffalo sauce.
It's sweet heat, yeah. Let's see. Let's see which one you wanna.
Double dip.
I'm gonna picture that. Okay. Okay, y'all, so here go the first product right here. What that is?
Like, so when you go to your doctor, you feel? I don't know. Like that, so they go to your
Something at the doctor?
Yeah.
That's what you said it is.
Well, you like might be
Wrong.
might be some eyelashes shit.
Is that what it is? It's like an eyelash. I think it's like an eyelash curl. I don't really use that though, so you probably would have never seen it before.
For eyelashes?
Unless you've seen it with somebody else.
Nah.
Yeah, I think it's for like to curl your eyelashes or do something like that. I don't use that though, so you probably never seen it.
Nah. It just took me to look at the end. I said, hold on there.
Okay.
When you were like, doctor, I'm like, hold on. Maybe I'm off.
So, here go the second picture, y'all.
Oh, I know what that is.
What's this?
That's an egg beater for your makeup.
An egg beater.
For your makeup.
This mom said an egg beater. Bruh, that's not an egg beater.
It's on for some makeup.
I'm dropping this.
You got to do with makeup.
Yeah, it's a beauty blender.
Well, I knew it's on for some makeup.
I was about to say, I know you see that a lot because I use it
yeah.
like all the time.
Next.
It blend out your makeup. Okay. Which one you try? You try the sweet heat?
What's sweet heat?
Right here. It's the best one.
I'm doing the black and
Black and red. You like it?
black and red. Yeah.
Everybody said it was so good. So the tenders are good. I mean, the nuggets are good, y'all, but they remind me of tenders more than.
Chicken tender, yeah.
Yeah. They remind me of tenders more than
Like you said, like they just cut them in half.
Yeah, they just cut the tenders up.
About 3 sections of one tender.
So here go the next product, y'all.
That's the thing to me. Your eyelashes long.
Yeah, it's the mascara.
Hey, look, I grew up in a house full of women, so I'm gonna know all.
You grew up in a house full of women, then you in a house full of women
Right
now.
back in the house full of women. I'm gonna know all that.
No
My
boys.
next. The sweet heat, that was the third one.
Yeah, it's right here.
What is it?
It's barbecue sauce.
Oh well.
So y'all, here the next product. What is it?
So I'm gonna eat it. Just throw you down. It ain't there. So I'm gonna eat. That's some pH balance stuff, ain't it? I don't know what it is. Shave.
Yeah,
Shave and cream.
it's like a cleansing wash
Oh.
for like pH balance and stuff, or whatever.
Yeah.
He said something. He be knowing some stuff. He said pH balance. I don't even buy that, but okay. Okay, let's see. This is the third one, y'all. Well, no, this is the fourth one.
Oh, that's that red light stopper.
Red light stopper.
That's that red light stopper. Right
Red
there.
light stopper. That's what you call it. What's the name of it?
That is a tampon.
Tampon.
I think, right?
It's a tamp. Okay, you know all the women products, huh?
Oh, that's something about. Okay, sweet heat. This sweet heat, right? Let's see what this sweet heat like. Oh, yeah.
Good. I still ain't tried the ranch, make the honey mustard.
Oh. Yeah, I know you like that. Got a little
Like
kick,
it's hot.
kick to it.
Y'all, my little drink is so strong.
What's wrong?
I'm gonna try this wild honey mustard.
That's the first one I tried. Taste like honey mustard. Man. What do you think?
I didn't see nobody with this one though. When I watched it on videos,
Wow, honey mustard.
they only had it.
You said it might have grown nasty.
Yeah, it's got like seeds in it or something.
I think I tried everything.
Try it again.
What I want to go in there. That sweet heat just set the damn tongue on me.
Okay, so the next product is here with the next product, y'all. Y'all probably can't see it.
That is a pad.
It's a pad. I knew you was gonna know that one.
That was easy.
I'm thinking the only ones I had. Them was the only ones I had, y'all. I only had about 4 of them. Cause I tried to find them on the way back when we came back.
Said, don't you use those for your butts?
Who said this?
You remember that little man, that little boy? Well, one man was a video. Boys in the stuff. And he picked my mom, don't you need these?
Oh, he said, don't you need these for your butt? Oh my God, it be your own kids, yo. Like, for real. It be your own kids getting you though, for real.
Put you on the spot, like.
Yeah, I'm feeling this little drink. You feeling your drink?
I'm
you know, you
something.
sweating.
I feel like I'm busting on sweat up in here. Ooh. What was that shot?
It was a shot, yeah.
It was a shot.
Yeah. These were okay. What you give them? A 1 out of 5.
Nuggets?
Yeah.
I got them. They taste good, but like you said, they're just basically tenders.
Yeah, just basic tenders. Yeah.
I give them about a 3 out of 5.
Yeah. 3 out of 5.
3 out of 5.
I ain't crazy about it. I probably won't get them again.
Nah. I just buy me some tenders if I want some nuggets before I get some nuggets.
Yeah.
That's why I say, because I know doggone well they ain't sit there and got no straight chicken nuggets.
Yeah. They probably just cut them up.
Not chicken nuggets, what I just say?
I want to do that stuff come like pre. I want to do that stuff come like pre, or they gotta like. Cause she said it take 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Like she wanted to feel me.
Got some sweet potato on it.
Yeah, well.
Huh?
That sweet heat.
That way, that drink. Ooh. On fire, yeah. We on fire.
Yeah, it's Saturday.
And
And we chilling today, okay?
what y'all doing on this Saturday?
Yesterday was a hectic day.
What day is it? 24th?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, time flying.
Right, July just started.
Time flying.
It's gone already.
I feel like we only get a half a year instead of a whole full 12 months.
Me too. The time, it's like the time since the pandemic started. It's like the time been going by so fast.
Time fast.
Mm-hmm.
I'm feeling good. I'm from Popeyes chicken nuggets. Popeyes chicken nuggets.
He feeling his drink now.
Popeyes chicken nuggets. And out here.
I ain't even take no picture of my drink.
You sure it in the camera then?
Yeah, but I want to take a picture. Sweet heat is where it's at.
Stop whining, I get that from you.
Okay, what?
Stop all that whining, I get that from you. I get it from you then.
No. Yeah, I got you whining like me. Y'all, it is so hot outside today.
I think I'm gonna go skinny dipping.
Skinny dipping well.
Just like this.
You crazy.
That's good, huh?
Yeah. We didn't even eat all of them. This is not even all 32.
How many of them is?
No, but there's some more still left in there.
Oh, well. I'm about full.
Me too. I'm full too.
I'm no which one got
I'm about
me
to finish
sweating.
drinking my drink.
I don't know if the drink or I don't know if the sauces.
Huh?
Some got me sweating.
The drink got you sweating.
Hmm.
The drink?
Think so.
Yeah, I'm
We ain't do
feeling.
no damage to the fries.
It was cold.
We got the best fries anyway.
I feel like McDonald's fries are good when
It all
they
depends.
hot.
It all depends.
Hmm?
It all depends. Yeah, hot.
When they hot, I feel like McDonald's fries are good. But I don't
Who got them
know.
big? Who got them big doggone wedges? Wendy's.
Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A got
Chick-fil-A got
wedges.
wedges. Same.
They got wedges. They got waffle fries.
Moving the camera.
Damn.
Just kick it.
No, they don't got wedges. They got waffle fries. Who got wedges?
Wendy's, ain't it?
We even got wedges. No, we just got potato fries.
What's the Wendy's the little girl, right? Oh, KFC then. KFC, the man. What his name?
Yeah, KFC got wedges.
He got wedges.
I don't really eat from KFC that much though, so
He got
I don't really be
wedges.
knowing. Like, the only thing I get from KFC is probably like a chicken box or something like that. Like, we'll get chicken from there sometimes.
I don't have fries so long. I'm tired of fries.
Me too. Like, everywhere you go, you gotta get fries.
Something different.
All that damn starch.
Yeah, all that.
But I knew our fries was gonna be cold. Oh, you taking so long.
Why it take so long?
Cause we were from outside to in the house.
Man, you know I'm going skinny dipping again. So now you tell me I'm going skinny dipping.
Alright, this is my last one.
She thought she was gonna get me on them products, y'all.
You got all of them right too.
I was out rubbing out full of women.
Now you a house full of women again. So yeah.
And I'm still turn that corner.
Y'all, we about to sign out, honey. I'm about to finish drinking my drink. I'm about to chill, relax.
Turn up her.
Turn time.
That's what I like. Alright guys, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know rocking with the real Queen.
This is not the real Queen no more. I changed my name.
Oh.
It's Queen. Yeah.
Hi guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. What you say your name?
It's Queen.
It's Queen.
Yeah.
Alright.
He don't even know my channel name, y'all.
I mean, like I said, I thought it was still the real Queen. Alright.
Cut off. Like.
Now. Alright guys, thanks for let me say that again. Alright guys, thanks for kicking with us. With the Popeyes chicken nuggets. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know, rocking with It's Queen. And you know what I'm saying? Hubby.
Signing out. But anyway, y'all, like he said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.